This is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. Today I am going to make garlic mayo and cream dip. This is a very simple recipe to make. But here what I am doing is I am making the mayo right from scratch. But you can use store-bought mayo also. So here we go. Before I begin making the mayo, I am going to very finely chop about half a cup of spring onions. To make the mayo, I am going to use 1 egg. I am going to add half a teaspoon of salt to it and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I am going to beat this with a hand beater and I am going to add 1 cup of oil little by little until I get this thick consistency of mayo. This is done. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to this, mix it in, and now I'm going to add 200 ml of packaged fresh cream and mix them together. To this I'm going to first add 1 teaspoon of homemade garlic paste. Taste it. This garlic is quite pungent, so I am not going to add more garlic to it, but depending on your garlic you can add another half a teaspoon more. Finally I am going to add the chopped spring onions. And this is done. It's as simple as that. This dip goes with chips, french fries, pakoda, fried chicken, chili chicken. In fact, if you like garlic mayo and cream, this is your go-to dip for any dish at any occasion. So that was my garlic mayo and cream dip. It has egg, so if you want something without egg, then you can check my yogurt cream cheese dip below. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with others too. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.